Hello, this is Lucas here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're checking out a brand new 2026 Sea Ray SPX 210. This boat does come with a tandem axle trailer underneath. It's got the beautiful dune interior. On the swim step, you're going to have the dune, or what I call brown sea deck, with a fold down swim step. Ladder here. Walking in here, the main seating. Plenty of room for your family and friends. Coupleable removable seats here to help you get more comfortable. Your co-captain's chair can flip back and forth. Nice big updated Simrad screen here on the dash. Fusion audio system. Plenty of storage. You'll see up here, this one comes option with a bow filler cushion. Let's spin back around here so you can see all the seating. Does have the tower on top that gives you a permanent structure. The bimini does fold down there. While open, does give you tons of shade. My name is Lucas. The boat here again is a 2026 Sea Ray 210 SPX, created by Sea Ray. Give us a call here at Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri, MarineMax. Thank you.